Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from JetBeam. Now this here is the Mark I IBS. Now I was sent this by Flashlight Go. They wanted me to test and review this little light. Comes in this box. So let's go ahead and get started here with the specs. As you can see, 700 lumens is the highest output that this can do, and for its size, that's very impressive. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause screen. Otherwise, let's get this open, see what's in. JetBeam is technically my top 3 favorite flashlight brands. Let's get everything out of here. One lanyard, it is folded up in there. USB Type-C charging cable. One warranty card. And a quality assurance card that it was checked before it left factory. Here's the user manual, multi-language, front and back. One O-ring. Now let's go ahead and get the light out of here. Not a huge fan of these darn molded plastics, but let's go ahead and take a look at the light. There it is. Very compact. Definitely use it as a tactical if you want to. And the color is not black, but kind of a metal look to it. Knurling here on the edge by the tail cap here, looks nice. Got a steel bezel here. Got a little bit of roughness to it. Now it is kind of a flat finish. Style and design on this is nice. Let's go ahead and take a look here at the reflector. That is a smooth reflector. Now this is running the Cree XPL LED. Very reliable, been around for many years. Can do a lot with them. Tail clicky on there. Lanyard holes here. All the way around. Now the machining and finish on this is very nice. Not seeing any issues here. Alright, so now let's go ahead and open this up. Spring there, especially for the size of light, pretty heavy duty. Here's the battery that's included, 880 milliamp. This is a 14500 cell. Does have the charging port built into it. This is a 7 amp cell, so it should provide plenty of power for this little light. Okay, now just want to give you a little heads up. You can run a regular alkaline battery in here. Does work. Half press that. Just not as bright. nice to know that you can put some nice quality alkaline cells in there and be able to run your light if this one should go dead. Never know, it always happens. Now let's go through the UI. UI is pretty straightforward. And we'll do that again. It does have memory mode. Turn it off, turn it on. Let's take a look here at the beam. Beam is combination beam. Got a nice large hot spot there. A lot of bleeding towards the edge. Especially for this size. Nice. And then you can turn it off, turn it back on, or you can half press it to go through those light outputs. See there, it's kind of just pulsating there. Now what you do is just half press it to get the bicycle mode. This is a battery level check. If you just half press it, and we're now bike mode, strobe, back to SOS, and whichever one you want it to stay on, you just full press it. Bicycle mode again. Once you get it on the one that you want, it'll stay on it. And that's all there is to this light. Pretty straightforward. You can adjust the light outputs, that dimming, sweeping back and forth. You can adjust it. I left it on the highest one, especially for this size of light. Easy to go through those light outputs again with full press or half press. Very nice. So let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the JetBeam Mark I. Let's go ahead and get started. That is on, it's on the lowest setting. That is nice light output for most applications that you're needing just a low light level. I'm going to move over here and kind of see the range of it at this light level. Probably about 20 feet, if not a little more. Faintly on the fence there. Let's go ahead and go to the next level here. See it better there on the fence. Making 65 feet to that tree there. Water spout, 38 feet. And faintly making to my eyesight 138 feet to that tree of life. There's the next level, and you can see there making that tree of life better. It's got some pretty good range on this thing for its size. Nice that they cut this tree. It's always a pain doing the night shots. And we got strobe. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. A great little EDC. Got a lot of light output. It's only 700 lumens, but it's got nice throw for its size. Definitely wish that it had a little clip on it. Would have been a perfect little EDC. Otherwise, you're stuck with a little lanyard, but you can just throw this in your pocket. Should do fine. You can program the light outputs a little bit, kind of make them the light outputs that you wish. I factory reset it. That way I could show the different factory light outputs according to the specs on the box. And very nice build quality. This Cree XPL LED has been around for many years. It's got really good light output and beam performance. Top-notch build quality. This is one of my top 3 favorite flashlight brands. Been doing many reviews for them for many years. And this is impressive. Well, I want to thank Flashlight Go for sending me this JetBeam Mark I IBS to review. Now, if this is something you're interested in getting, remember it's a complete kit. Comes with everything you need in that box to get started outside the box. I will leave a link in the description box below, including a special discount code to help you save some money on this kit, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thanks button. Donate to my channel if you wish. Otherwise, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these JetBeam lights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.